So we're just going to be looking at the auto numbering function within Revit. So when you've got an object and you then go to create a series of those objects, it will take on a naming convention based on the numbering you've got. So if I come in here at 5 meters, see here it's automatically named them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the same thing works in the other direction. So if I then go and rename this lowercase a, when I copy down you'll see that it's B and C. It also remembers whether things are in capitals. Even if you've got something more obscure like a double A, it should also match that standard going forward. This also works for levels. We've got a level and we array this up. So we want 5 levels. You can see here I've got level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's automatically filled that in for me. So another way to exploit the naming tools within Revit is when you place your rooms, give them the naming that you want, and then when you place the next room it will take on that naming. So you're going to have 001, 002 for the ground floor. However, I don't need to then go and place all of my rooms like so to generate a pattern of odds and evens. I can just grab the room from both sides, and if I go to copy, you'll see I've now got all the odds on one side, all the evens on the other. So when I go up to level 2, I can, or up to level 1, I can go up here and place my first room. You see it's going to be consecutive after the last one. I give it the naming convention I want for the second floor. Now if I go back to the ground floor, grab all of my rooms and room tags, except for the first one because I've already placed it, I can copy those and go paste align selected levels. Alternatively, I can come up to that view and select paste aligned current view, and you'll see that it takes on the naming convention for the second floor. Alternatively, there's a bunch of add-in tools like element renumber, those kind of things that will make it a lot easier to renumber these as you're editing and moving on.